Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say Happy Mother's Day. You're so pretty, baby. Good morning.
Good morning.
I love you. The Castles. Hi, everybody. Look at Bianca. She's ready now. She just had a shower. And she just got dressed. Can you smile? Today is Mother's Day, and tomorrow will be her 11th of the month. She will be 34 months tomorrow. Wow. You'll be 34 months, love? Yee, she's so cute. Her hair's still wet, so we just put a ribbon on her hair. We're not tying it today. It's still wet. Love you. Happy Mother's Day!
Mother's Day.
Happy
Yeah, gonna give to. Oh, another one. A smile. One more. Smile. Smile. One, two. One, two. Say cake, cake. Say cake. One, two.
Smile.
Cake. Smile. Ah. Smile. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
What is it, Bobby?
Oh, give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Happy Mother's Day, mommy.
Thank you, Bobby. Oh, it's your hand.
Give this to Mimi. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Mama, Happy Mother's Day. Love, Bianca. Aww.
Give it to Mimi.
Look, it's Bianca's
Give it to
hand.
Mimi.
What will you say?
Oh, give it to Mimi. Give it to Mimi.
Thank you.
Oh,
What will you say?
give it to Tita kay Lord.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh.
Kamay niya yan, tsaka siya nag-drawing yan.
Oh.
Wow. Thank you, Bianca.
Siya rin nagsulat niyan.
Kiss.
Oh.
Yung mga names.
Oh. Oh, kiss Ninong.
Kiss muna. Say Happy Mother's Day. Oh, mommy. Kiss mommy. Good job.
Thank you, Bobby.
Yay!
You take a picture.
I'll take a picture. Hold on.
Hold it. Wow.
Hold it.
Wow. What are you
binasa
saying?
pa.
What does it say? Open
Happy
it.
Mother's Day.
Open it. What does it say?
Good job. High
Thank
five.
you, Bianca.
Great job.
Thank you, Dada.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Ah, ang galing ni Kaka kasi artist to eh. Yun, ah.
Wow, your hands there.
Yeah, siya po nagsulat niyan. Yan. Pati yung drawing po sa likod. Yan sa unahan. Yan.
Oh.
Yan.